Educators. It's an international boot camp regarding the concepts of AI, Python, and robotics in Pictoblox. On day 4, we made a GPT Assistant. All of you know about the ChatGPT. It's a generative, pre-trained transformer. So let us make this GPT in Pictoblox. Okay. Now, the first of all, we have to take the function of the ChatGPT in a variable. So let us start with the GPT is equal to ChatGPT class. So what it does, it takes all the function of the ChatGPT class in a variable or the object GPT. Now, if I want to print the result as it is on the screen, we can do it by the say command. But if I want this text to be converted to the speech, we have to work with another class, and that is text to speech. Now, I am asking from the user the question the user wants to ask. So the sprite will input what would you like to ask. So the user entered the questions. Now this question we have to take it in the GPT using the function ask on ChatGPT, and it uses the first parameter is AI assistant, and the second parameter is the prompt. The prompt has the value from the previous statement. Now this function makes the request to ChatGPT with the specified text and store the response. Now the next statement would be let us say I'm using a variable ANS, that is the answer. So GPT is assessing a function chat GPT result. So through this function, the result will be stored in the variable ANS. Now I want the sprite to display this result on the screen. So the say command. I want this result to be there for, let us say, 10 seconds. I want that this to be converted to the speech also. So the ts dot speak, I'm using a variable ANS. I want to do one more thing, that this result to be printed in the French language also. So for this one, the GPT has one more function, and that is the translate language. Translate language. I have to supply the text and which language. Let us say it is French. So it is converted to this one. I want to get the result and display it on the screen. So I'm combining two statements, print.say and GPT dot chat GPT result. So I have written few statements, but I am able to make a chat GPT of my own. So let us run this one. So I'll run my project and see what happens. It asks me what would you like to ask. So I'll say here cyberbullying in 20 words.
harassment and intimidation through digital means, causing emotional distress and harm to the victim's mental well-being.
Now I am getting the result in French. I like this application. You also try this one and ask different things from the ChatGPT. Have a nice day. Thank you so much and namaskar.